Welcome to Moxies. Here's the backpack, your homepage, where everything starts. Chatting with friends, customizing your Moxie, and completing fun quests. Everything is designed with intention, always putting the well-being of our community first, as we transform today's digital landscape with a research-backed, first-of-its-kind tool designed to build confidence and support healthy online connection, bringing peace of mind to girls and parents alike. Now let's jump into the Moxie Builder. This is where you can see the Moxies this user has already created. So let's go in and edit one. Personalization is key. This is where girls can get creative and make their Moxies truly their own. They can choose from trait categories like backgrounds, eyes, mouths, clothes, accessories, hair flare, face flare, and hobbies to really reflect their personality. Any item with a heart is something she's earned by completing a quest, while anything that is still locked is something she can work towards unlocking. Her Moxie grows as she does. She can edit and redesign her Moxie as many times as she wants and reset it as her profile photo. Users can show off the Moxies they created and share them in any of their group chats. So instead of uploading photos and videos of themselves, they can use their Moxies instead. Now let's jump into chat. On Moxies, girls can only join private groups. There's no larger search to find other users. Parents set up secured, tailored groups for their daughter's activities, so she stays socially connected in a space parents can trust. Every chat is fully moderated to make sure conversations are safe and supportive. We're going to jump into a sample chat so you can see how they're organized. First, we have Catch-Up Corner for daily conversations with friends. Then we have Daily Drop for where we post questions and quick tips, share new quests that launched, and give girls a space to be the experts in the things they love. And then Feedback for group input and ideas. To support healthy digital habits, we've built in time limits and stress-free alerts. Our AI and human moderators review activity so harmful behavior is flagged immediately. If a girl types something unkind or hurtful, she's given a chance to edit it. And if she still tries to send it, it's blocked. This helps build digital literacy and awareness in real time. Since girls don't receive constant notifications, conversations feel fun without being overwhelming. They can't share links, photos, or videos, but they can play with moderated GIFs to keep chats fun. They can also see which friends are in the group and online. And to reinforce healthy boundaries from the start, chats automatically shut off at 8 p.m. and reopen at 7:30 the next morning. Finally, let's check out quests, the heart of play and learning on Moxies. Quests are polls and quizzes where girls play, learn, and earn across 5 key categories: digital literacy, confidence and self-esteem, social emotional development, skill building, and just for fun. Every time a girl completes a quest, she unlocks a new item for her Moxie. And in special challenges, she can even win a physical prize. We release most new quests on Fridays, so girls have fresh content to dive into over the weekend when they have the most screen time, turning FOMO into a chance to connect, learn, and grow together. From chatting with friends on their terms, playing weekly quests, and building their avatars, each function is designed to ignite confidence, digital well-being, and life skills, where friendship and self-expression are the focus. Welcome to Moxies.